how to manage the boot priority. So currently this computer is not booting from anywhere, and I should make it boot either from a CD DVD drive, which is USB connected, or from a flash drive, or from another hard drive inside this computer. So to do that, restart the computer, press either Ctrl Alt and Delete, or if that one is not working, then press the reset button on the case. So let's just try it. Ctrl Alt and Delete. Yes, that worked. Okay, now I will enter BIOS by using the delete key, and I will change the boot priority. Make the computer boot from another device. Press that delete button. Okay, that's the BIOS. I'm using an MSI motherboard, B350 PCmate is the model, and here we have the boot priority, this entire list, and you can drag and drop these things. So the computer always boots from the first device, the one on the left side. If that does not contain any operating system, then it will try the next one. If there's nothing there, the third one, and so on. So let's search the one that really has an operating system on it, and in this case is this one. It's a light on hard drive, Windows Boot Manager is on it, so simply drag that one into the first position. The other ones went to the right. If, let's say, the mouse is not working, then you can use the arrow keys to move around and the enter key. So I'm pressing the down arrow, and now it's here because the text appeared. Now when it's in that part, then just press left and right, and you can move around. To change the position of this, let's say I want to place that CD to the first position, just press enter on it, and now left, and notice it moved to the left. Press enter on it to release it, the text appeared, and that's it. Now let's put this Windows Boot Manager thing, enter, to the left and enter. Now that one is the first device. Okay, so either go here to the X and close it and save it, or just press F10 on the keyboard. Okay, those are the changes. Press enter to accept it. The computer restarts and it should boot from another hard drive. Okay, that's from another hard drive. Now let's enter BIOS once again. Ctrl Alt and Delete to restart the computer. Enter BIOS, and we can access the same boot menu from another location also. So press Delete to enter BIOS. Okay, we can go here to settings also. You can use the keyboard or your mouse. So settings, and here we have boot. Press enter, and the same thing is here. So that's the first hard drive, and you can press enter on it, and let's select USB CD, and now that one is the first one. So just press enter on it, select which one to be in that position, in the first location in this case, that one, and it's selected. If you use the mouse, let's say move that, let's grab this one. If you move that one to the first location, then the same thing was updated here. Move the hard drive back, and it was moved here also. Okay, save it. This time let's use the X. Close it with the X, accept it. Computer restarts, and now it should enter Windows 10. And that's it, the boot priority was changed.